it's me, Abby, and my good friend Penny the piano is here.
Well, hello there.
Welcome back to Abby's piano room. Did you have fun learning Row, Row, Row Your Boat last time? That's great. Today, we're going to play another song you may know really well. It's called Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Let's have a listen. Before we start, let's talk about the location of our notes and which numbers we will use. We will use 2 numbers from our big group. This will be a low big group, and we will use numbers 5 and 6. We will also use the little group, and number 3 in the middle of the piano. Now, let's get our piano fingers ready and see which fingers we will use. We will use both right and left hands for this song. In your right hand, place your pointer on 1, your middle one, 2, and your ring finger on 3, like this. And in your left hand, put your middle finger on the low 5 and your pointer on the low 6, like this. Remember, you can also use your pointer finger to play all of the notes, or use the fingers that you are most comfortable with using, in either hand. You know the location of your notes, and which hands and fingers to use. Let's practice! We will start with the first section of our song. Now listen to this. Now let's practice this section 3 times. 1, 2, ready, go! Let's play it again. 1, 2, ready, go! Last time. 1, 2, ready, go! Great job! Now let's move on to the next section. Now listen to this. Now let's practice this section 3 times. 1, 2, ready, go! Let's play it again. 1, 2, ready, go! Last time. 1, 2, ready, go! Great Great job! Now let's move on to the next section. Now listen to this. Now let's practice this section 3 times. 1, 2, ready, go! Let's play it again. 1, 2, ready, go! Last time. 1, 2, ready, go! Great job! Now let's move on to the last section. Now listen to this. Now let's practice this section 3 times. 1, 2, ready, go! Let's play it again. 1, 2, ready, go! Last time. 1, 2, ready, go! Great job! Now that you've practiced with no music, let's play the entire song. First, do you see this castle? We'll go on a quest to a faraway land. uses more notes than our last one, so take your time and practice it throughout the week. Even if it feels tricky at first, remember, every note you play is helping you grow into a piano superstar. Just keep playing this around 3 times each day. Next time, we'll learn a new song and keep building our skills. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, you are becoming a piano maestro, one key at a time. You've got this! Bye, friends!
Bye, everyone!
Don't forget to come back next week for your next lesson. Want to keep the fun going after this lesson? I've got a special activity just for you. Click the link below to get your free coloring page and music worksheet. You can use the song to practice your little group. See you next time!